show you how to repair a leaky hose. Tighten these hoses up as much as I can. It's leaking from here and also this one. So I'm going to turn the water off. And I'm going to check the washers in here. And I'm going to replace them with new washers. A pack of washers. There's about 8 washers in this pack for 99 cents. The local hardware store. And I'm going to start taking them apart and we'll see what happens. Let all the water out. Take all 3 off. Okay, the first problem is this one doesn't even have a washer. It must have fell off at one time, so we're going to put a new washer in there. And the other 2, I'm going to replace the washers in there. Sometimes they get a little shrunken up. We'll see what happens. Trying to do this all with one hand. Here's the new washer. We're going to put it right in there. See, this one fits nice and snug. When they get about a year old or so, they start deteriorating. It's always good to replace them. Only costs a couple cents. We'll start putting this back. And we're going to do the same for the hoses too. We're going to take the existing ones out of the hoses and replace them. Alright, you want to make it tight, but not too tight. This is junk plastic. Shows you the quality connector. They don't last long. Most of them are made in China. Junk anyhow. I'm going to pick this one out. I'm going to use my finger. I'll have to get a little screwdriver for this. Alright, now I'm going to take the washer out with the hose. You need a little butter knife for a screwdriver to do it. Alright, now they're on. I'm going to turn the water on. And voila, no leaks. Oh la la, what's happening? What's happening? And this is how we do it. Anytime you have a leaky hose connection, change your washers, tighten them up, and don't buy cheap Chinese connectors.